welcome back to my channel. This is Sandy here, and today I am going to be attempting a simple DIY project, or upcycle project, I guess you can say. So I picked up this little chest from Goodwill, and it's pretty beat up, but I really liked it. I loved the way that it looked. The inside of it was surprisingly very clean and everything. So I could see how I could bring this back to life and find a purpose for it. So I picked it up. And as you can see, there's pieces on it that needed to be glued back down. So that was the first task at hand, was to clean it up, glue those pieces back down with some E6000 glue and get it back in pretty decent shape. And that's what I'm doing. Then the next step was to take it outside and do some spray painting, which is what I use for the primer, because I did not want to keep it that color. So after getting everything glued down, I spray painted it, and then I brought it back in the house so that I could do the painting inside. So I used some Mod Podge here. I forgot to record this section, but I put Mod Podge in the sections where you see the glitter, and just put some glitter in there just so that I could kind of put a little bling in it, which is what I like. So I did that, and then sealed the glitter in there with some more Mod Podge. And then I went over it with some metallic paint that I picked up, to go over the primer that I had sprayed on there. I also bought some paint for the clasp on the chest, as well as the feet. They have the little bitty claw feet on it, which I thought were so cute. So I wanted that to stand out a little bit more. So I got some of the silver platinum, I guess is what it was, metallic paint, and I just painted over the clasp so that area stood out a little bit more, as well as the feet. So here I am just putting that on there. This was so simple to do, so I was very excited to be able to bring this little piece back to life to a point that I could use it in my home. So I'm just putting the finishing touches on it now, and in a few moments you will see the finished product. So everything is all dry now. I just did this with the metallic paint, the clasp as well as the feet on it, and the metallic paint. I've got the glitter in the section in here with the Mod Podge. This is the metallic paint that I used, Deco Art from Hobby Lobby. And then I used, well, that's the Mod Podge. And then this was supposed to be a metallic type paint, but it really just looks more like a pearl color. But I love the texture in here and how the paint actually turned out. So I'm liking it. And so now I'm going to show you how I'm going to be utilizing this piece. So right here in this corner, I have a basket that has just some miscellaneous crafting things and just a bunch of miscellaneous things in here. And it doesn't look horrible, but just because I've done that box, it matches the decor in here a little bit better. I'm going to put those things in here, and it'll become a storage bin for my little crafting. I don't do a whole lot of crafting, so I don't have a lot, but that box will be perfect to save everything in and have an aesthetically pleasing look at the same time. So here we go. So here we are with the chest in its new home. It fit in that spot perfectly, so I was happy about that. I'm going to go over and show you what I put in here. Like I said, I am not a true DIYer, so I don't have a lot of craft things. It's mostly just ribbon and some bling wrap and some marbles or crystals or whatever. Just a few things in there, craft sticks and things like that. So everything fit in here perfectly, so I was very happy with that, and that's where I will be keeping it. And I'm pretty pleased with the way that it turned out. I think it's really cute. I am always so excited when I'm able to do a DIY, because I am not a true creative person in that sense. So when it's something really, really simple, I like to do it and I feel really good about it. So this is just one of those examples. I hope you enjoyed.
Subscribe to my channel. Bye.